Various herbs and spices that can be found easily at home can be used to protect the body by fighting various infections. It boosts the immune system, reduces inflammation, and even prevents cancer. Certain spices are also good for weight loss, increasing activity, strengthening bones, protecting against disease, cutting colds, protecting health, and maintaining hormonal balance. Here are lots of amazing health properties and benefits of commonly used spices and herbs. So relax and enjoy the full video. Apart from enhancing the taste of food, different types of spices contribute greatly to improving overall health. Beginning with bay leaf. A very popular spice all over the world, it is praised for its ability to prevent cancer, reduce neural tube defects, improve health, useful for skin care and hair care. It helps improve the nervous system, regulates body metabolism, and improves blood-related conditions. Bell pepper. Bell pepper is one of the most common spices but has many health benefits. It has the ability to reduce inflammation and excess gas, improve gastrointestinal function, and regulate enzymatic reactions. Bell pepper regulates heart rate and blood pressure. It prevents cancer with its antioxidants. Cardamom. The health benefits of cardamom include improving digestion, lowering blood pressure, increasing metabolism, and increasing circulation, and increases urine output. It provides riboflavin, niacin, vitamin C, and minerals and vitamins such as iron, manganese, and potassium. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is very effective in reducing inflammation, relieving pain, managing diabetes, eliminating infections, reducing excess gas, and improving heart health. It helps develop intelligence, build strong bones, prevent cancer, and improve eye and skin health. Cloves. We use this spice to enhance the taste of various dishes. This spice has many qualities. Cloves are good for preventing cancer and maintaining bone health. Cloves are also used to cure oral diseases. Cumin. Cumin is a very useful spice ingredient. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that help improve digestion, also strengthens bones, increases eyesight, and prevents various diseases. One of the benefits of cumin is its ability to control low blood pressure. Cumin also increases blood cells and prevents various types of cancer. Garlic. Garlic is the name of a versatile spice, an excellent spice used to add unique flavor to food. It helps cure heart disease, high blood pressure, cold and cough, etc. Garlic is also used as an antibiotic. Ginger. Ginger is generally known to aid digestion. Ginger is a spice that offers many other benefits, including cancer prevention, increased appetite, and improved respiratory conditions. It is also beneficial for curing dry coughs. Turmeric. Turmeric is the most common and widely used spice. Turmeric is generally well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with skin care and prevents cancer. It makes menstruation normal and easy and makes the body active. Turmeric paste is used as a natural antiseptic cream. Black cumin. Black cumin contains a combination of various qualities. Black cumin is very beneficial for heart disease. We use black cumin seeds in various dishes. It helps improve our heart health and protects our hearts from various diseases. Black cumin is also widely popular for its hair benefits. It is quite effective in promoting hair growth. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. I hope you have learned something interesting and useful. Please like the video and share your comments with us. To get more amazing contents like this, please subscribe and stay with us. See you on the next one.